The device's speed, impressive for a device of its caliber, allowed it to keep pace with even the fastest boats, never once falling behind. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. There's no question that the Lowrance HDS PRO is a technological marvel, with features that set it apart from the competition in numerous ways. Here are 3 of its most significant advantages. 1. Unparalleled navigation capabilities. With its advanced ActiveTarget technology, this device offers unparalleled navigation capabilities, empowering you to precisely locate fish and adapt your fishing strategy on the fly. 2. Real-time underwater views. The combination of active imaging HD and FishReveal technology provides stunning underwater views, allowing you to track down fish with ease and visualize underwater terrain with unprecedented clarity. 3. Durability and build quality. The device's premium build quality and solar-resistant display ensure that it withstands even the most extreme conditions, whether it's the heat of a tropical sun or the icy chill of a polarized lens. However, one potential drawback worth considering is the significant cost associated with this device, which may be outside the budget of many anglers and captains. That being said, considering the features, performance, and durability of the Lowrance HDS PRO, it's clear that the investment is well worth it. When it comes to competition, it's worth noting that the HDS PRO significantly outclasses the likes of Garmin, Simrad, and other established brands. With its advanced ActiveTarget technology and SolarMax HD touchscreen, Lowrance has raised the bar for the industry. Competitors will struggle to match this device's level of performance, precision, and durability.